Hi, it's the Model TV. So let's design this trending crinoline design. It is the latest design. It's 2026 in review. So if you're looking for something new, take a look at this. So this is how it all begins with your crinoline and your millinery wire. You remember how to do this. By the time you finish tagging, you get to have this. Okay, so I'm designing red. So this is it. You need your Alice band, the crinoline, the bed gauge abi velvet, then something to use and roll it, something the size of how you want your loop to be, your bow to be, whatsoever you call it. Then when you give it that shape, that size, you now use your hands to twist it to, this is a spiral fascinator. So this is the process of getting the spiral. Right now, when you twist it, the wire will curve and give you this spiral look. So the crinoline I'm using now, I'm actually changing another design that I do not like again to do this, so that's why it's very long. But for this design, the one on the picture, 2 yards is enough. But what I have is 3 yards, and I don't want to cut it. That's why I'm using it that way. So after all the twisting, the turning to have your spiral look, you just need to attach it to the Alice band, and that is all for the design, assuming you do not want to attach a face knit. Also, if you want this spiral to stand on the crinoline, so you just hold the edge like this beginning and it will stand. But for this design, I will be using face knit just like you saw in the picture. So this is how to attach your face knit. Of course, I've shared this over and over again in my previous videos. Even the spiral fascinators, I've shared it over and over again in my previous videos. So I have actually been playing with crinoline on this channel. So anything you want to design that has to do with crinoline, just visit the Model TV and you have all the ideas that you can imagine. Okay, if you've not subscribed to the Model TV, do well to hit the subscription button now so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, and turn on all notification. I don't want you to miss any tutorial session. So this is how to attach your face knit to the Alice band. It's simple enough. Just pay rapt attention to the video and you get it right, or you watch my other detailed videos on this. So after attaching the face knit, next is to attach your spiral crinoline. This one will be resting on the Alice band, as you can see on the picture. So you tag like 4 places to have it rest on the Alice band. But assuming, like I said, you want it to stand, this one place like this edge now that I'm attaching is enough, or 2 places, and you allow it to stand. Remember, the beauty of a spiral is that you can twist it to any style of your choice. Like, it's very flexible, you can make anything out of it. But for this one, it's lying, resting on the Alice band, so you have to tag it all the way from the beginning to the end. I hope you like this design. Will you be trying it out? Let me hear from you in the comment section. It's simple, it's affordable, yet it's very beautiful and unique. So I would love you to try it out. If you've not done any spiral fascinator, I will encourage you to try one, because in 2026 this will be handy. The idea will be handy, as this is one of the trending styles for now, and you know what it means. Any style that is trending in December will definitely be the style of the next year, okay, of the year to come, like 2026. So try your hands on this and thank me later. It's a very short video. At this point we are done with the fascinator. Let me hear from comment section. Is this tutorial video and the design simple enough? How do you see it? Does it make sense? Like, share and comment on this video. I would love to hear from you. So this is the outcome of the design. Let me have your like, your comment and your share. So see you in my next video. Turn on notification button. Don't miss any of my videos, because I always upload interesting videos. So love you.